a really tough year for the NHS. We want the brightness, we want to come out of the dark. My colleagues and myself, we're really looking forward to holidays, meeting up with family. Our biggest wish is for all the hospitals to just return to normal.
We've gone through some really dark times recently, and the tunnel and patients and staff walking through it at the end of their shift or after their vaccine really represents coming out of those dark times.
It makes you feel bright and optimistic, I think. Yeah.
Nice light.
Well, hopeful, because there's light at the end of the tunnel, isn't there?
We're definitely going in the right direction. We're going to keep at it till we get there. We will get there.